Okay, so hello guys, welcome to our free UPCAT review. And as you can see, nasa science portion tayo. Again, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Hakim. I'm currently studying BS Biology in UPLD. And I made this free reviewer para lahat kayo ay makapasa sa UPCAT ngayon 2026. So, start na natin yung topic. Ang topic natin for today is acids, bases, and thermochemistry. This is a pretty short video lang kasi this is at the introductory level only because I can assure you na hindi magiging complex ang topics na to sa UPCAT. Okay, so acids and bases. At the introductory level, acids and bases can be told apart by a set of observable properties. Ang acids, they taste sour, and they turn blue litmus paper red, and then they release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Common examples ng acids ay vinegar and hydrochloric acid. Yun ang mga acids. Ang bases naman, they taste bitter, pait. They feel slippery, turn red litmus paper blue, and release hydroxide ions, hydroxide, in water. Common examples include soap and sodium hydroxide. So, ang acids, they turn blue litmus paper red, while bases turn red litmus paper blue. Tapos, sa acids naman, hydrogen ions ang involved, while sa bases naman ay hydroxide ions. Okay, so the pH scale measures how acidic or basic a solution is on a scale that runs from 0 to 14. A pH below 7 is acidic. Okay, a pH below 7 is acidic. And a pH of exactly 7 is neutral. And then a pH of above 7 is basic. Okay? The scale is logarithmic. Each whole number step represents a tenfold change in hydrogen ion concentration. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, mayroon kang 5 na acidic. Kung maging 6, tenfold na yan. Tenfold as acidic. Or tenfold paangat ng pH scale. Ganun yung ano niya, it's logarithmic. This means a solution, ayun o. This means a solution with pH 4 is not just a little more acidic than one with pH 5. It is 10 times more acidic and 100 times more acidic than one with pH 6. Okay? When an acid and a base react with each other, they undergo neutralization, producing water and a salt. Acid plus base equals salt. Ito, tandaan nyo to. Plus water. So, pag i-combine mo ang acid and base, magpo-produce sila ng water and salt. This is why an antacid tablet, a mild base, leaves the discomfort of excess stomach acid. So, that's all you need to know about acids and bases. And ito yung mga key points nila. You can screenshot this para may summary kayo ng kung ano na-discuss. So, ito, may solution pa dito. I mean, may work example pa. Screenshot nyo yan para may magawa rin kayong for your own. Ngayon, thermochemistry naman tayo. Heat changes in reactions. Thermochemistry is a study of the heat absorbed or released during a chemical reaction. Every reaction either gives off heat to its surroundings or takes heat from its surroundings. And this behavior falls into categories. So, yung two categories na yon are exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Basically, ang exothermic reaction is it releases heat to the surroundings. The reaction feels warm to the touch and the products end up with lower energy than the reactants. Ang example nito is combustion such as burning fuel. So, ang sabi dito, di ba? The products end up with lower energy than the reactants. Ibig sabihin, ang exothermic reaction is paganto. Paganto yung graph ng exothermic. Paganyan. Kasi ito guys, reactants yun nandito, products na yun nandyan. Kasi nga, it undergoes through the reaction, di ba? Exo yan, exo. Tapos, ang endothermic reaction naman, it absorbs heat from the surroundings. The reaction feels cold to the touch and the products end up with higher energy than the reactants had. E di, paganto yung graph nan guys. Ganyan. Ganyan ang endothermic reaction. Kasi nga, nag-absorb sila ng energy. Example nito is melting ice, which draws heat in from its surroundings. Kasi nga, di ba guys, kapag nagme-melt ka ng ice, basically, di ba, kumari ice to. Ito, heat, nag-absorb siya ng energy, kaya, zing, na, ano siya, nagkakaroon siya ng more energy than the ice. This heat content is described using enthalpy, and the change in enthalpy during a reaction is written as delta H, calculated as the enthalpy of the products minus the enthalpy of the reactants. Okay? It is calculated as the enthalpy of the product, so, and delta H, ang hindi, delta H is equal to products minus reactants. Ganun. The sign of the delta H tells you which type of reaction occurred. A negative delta H means the reaction released more energy than it absorbed. Ibig sabihin, exothermic. Kapag naman positive delta H, it means that the reaction absorbed more energy than it released. Endothermic. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag ang delta H mo, halimbawa lang, it is negative 4, ibig sabihin na to, exothermic. Ibig sabihin guys, nag-release siya ng energy. Kumbaga, kapag 'di ba nag-release ka ng energy, napapagod ka, kaya may negative ka. Ganun. Tapos naman kapag delta H is equal to positive 4, halimbawa, endo na yan. Endothermic. Kasi nga, nag-take in ka ng energy, sumigla ka, kaya positive ka sa buhay. Yan guys, ganyan yung palatandaan sa dito sa thermochem. Yun lang kailangan nyo malaman for thermochem. And there's a worked example here. Ito, kahit pwede nyo screenshot para malaman nyo or para may masolve kayo while you're home. And may practice questions din dito. Feel free to take a screenshot of this. Guys, I'm sharing these PDF files in my TikTok page. So, DM nyo lang. But I'm selling this for 100 pesos, included na lahat. Mock exams, yung curriculum na pinapakita ko, pati yung reviewers from day 1 to day 25 ng ating free of cut review. Yun lang guys. Review well and study well. Future is scholar ng bayan. Bye-bye!